The second theory about the black holes is they have hair. In 2015, the late physicist Professor Stephen Hawking suggested that the black holes were not the eternal prisons many think them to be, adding that it was possible for data to escape from the abyss. A year later, he expanded on the theory by stating the answer lies in the zero energy particles, or soft air, that sit on the black hole's horizon. It suggests that the particles that sit on the event horizon, the boundary of the black hole, would consist of photons and gravitons, which are subatomic packets of light and gravitational energy. These very low or even zero energy quantum particles deposited on the edge of the black hole can capture and store information stripped from the particles falling into the black hole. This effectively means that while the particles falling into the black hole may be gone, their information continues to linger at the edge of oblivion in this soft hair of quantum particles. This theoretical physics linked in the return of information to a burned encyclopedia, where information would not technically be lost but would be incredibly hard to decipher. The hypothesis has not been proven but could help solve a long standing paradox about what happens to gas and dust that has fallen into the black hole.